Oh, hello there. Welcome to K Nation. What's up, guys, and welcome back to K Nation. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the oil in an old 1999 Chevy Silverado. So, let's jump into it. Alright, guys, first things first that we're going to want to do is hop underneath the truck and drain the oil. Alright, so the first things first is you're going to want to take the oil plug off, and that on this one is a 15 millimeter. So we'll go ahead and Alright, so as you just saw, it came out really fast, and so you will get some oil on you, a lot of oil actually, and make sure not to lose that oil plug. And if you look on the back of it, there's a little magnet, and if there's any metal shavings on that, then that's when you're going to want to be concerned, but there doesn't seem to be any metal shavings on this one. Don't lose that. Well, now let's take the oil filter off. Alright, so removing the oil filter. Well, I have my good tool here again, and go ahead and do that. Okay, so once you get it loosened, then you're going to want to take it off pretty carefully. There is going to be oil that comes out of this as well. Okay, so once you have the oil filter loosened and some of the oil out of it, go ahead and fully remove that. Just like that. Alright, let's get to the next step. Okay, so the next step you're going to want to do is make sure that the oil seal from the oil filter isn't where the oil filter was previously. Because if that gets stuck on there, then your new oil filter will not seal properly and you'll leak oil. Okay, now we can put the oil plug back in. And in doing so, make sure not to cross thread it, or you'll have fun trying to put it back on next time. And when you tighten it up, just snug it good so that no oil drips out from it. Alrighty, installing the new oil filter. So I just got one from Nampa, and so we're going to use that. Go ahead and again, seal it up with some used oil that you just drained. Go ahead and threading it on there. Alright, once you get it nice and tight, then you're ready to add the oil. Alright, adding oil. So we're going to want to wipe the dipstick off, stick it back in there, make sure we got all the oil out, which we did, as you can tell. Then, this is where you add the oil. So go ahead and take this. Okay, so today's oil I'm using Mobil 1. Like I said in my last video, I don't have a specific brand that I like or use. But this truck takes 5W30 fully synthetic, and it's 6 quarts. So, let's get to adding. Alright, so I like to check the oil after about 2 quarts. See how we're doing. Yep, still not quite showing up, so we need to keep adding more. Alright, after you put in the 6 quarts, then you can go ahead and put your oil cap back on and make sure it's nice on there. And then I'm going to check the oil here. Make sure that we got enough. Looks good. It's a little above the full mark, but that's fine because we're also going to let this one run and let it run through the oil filter like we did the lawnmower. Alright, so now we just fired her up I'm gonna let that oil pressure get up. Looks good to me. So let's go ahead and turn it off. Alright, so now I'm gonna teach you how to get that change oil sign from your message board away. What you're gonna do is turn the vehicle to the on position, but it won't be running. Then you're gonna take your foot, place on the gas, and pump it down a few times. And it should go away. And then go ahead and start her up. And there's no change oil sign. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching me change the oil in my truck. Again, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And comment down below any other suggestions and ideas that you have. And if you have any cool video ideas, I'd love to hear them. So comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Dang, Captain Schmuck always making messes.